Something. You see some people you see suffer in a life, and them judgment come for some things that they would have done in their past. Be careful how you're quick to jump and want to help some people where you see I go through them suffering. Pray and ask God if you should help them. Because in trying to help them out of the suffering, you're stopping the judgment of God. And if you try to stop the judgment of God, God is gonna judge you. Choose your battles wisely, and every fight you have to run into, and every battle is your battle. If you make some people battle some stuff on your own. The Bible said that Josiah tried to stop the judgment of Israel because Israel was living in sin, and as a result, Josiah died before his time, trying to be a hero for a set of people that deserve the judgment of God. Be careful again, or you try to just get up and help some people. Ask God first, and every battle is your battle. A word to the wise is always sufficient.
What's up, Speak My Mind family? What's up? Watch out, watch out, watch out. She's out, she's out, she's out. Duck, duck. Watch out, watch out. Blanca Nation, watch out. Wildstone and Flip. Watch out, watch out. Hey, my lick me now. Hey, girl, my lick me now. Watch out. Watch out. Wildstone a show. T-girl run out. She can't take to see the queen a trend. Was. And you don't know the curly one is trending. And you know a fair time I hear this. When she come out and start, you don't know the typical thing of she start the cake sitting. All when the woman now look at her. And it's the same story, the woman a play a blogger. But that's not the main part. Hey! She deep up on the man of England. She style the man of England. Hey! But the man of England say over there make money off her. Money mind she come back early in the morning. And by lunchtime she come again. And by dinner time she come again. Because him say it a benefit him, it not benefit she. So she could have cussed from now till the morning and him a the beneficiary. Not recipient, beneficiary. Yes, man. Speak mind, people. T-Dog run out as usual. What time of the year now? It's October, right? And after October is what? November, don't it? Oh. And you don't know where they're near. Cake season, don't it? So she won't back the bakery. She becomes only seasonal baker now. Because remember, she said she locked down the bakery, She will only bake. If you request her to bake a birthday or a wedding cake, she will come out and bake that. But the regular baking, she done with it. All of a sudden, bakery out my back. I don't know. She confused, She pass confused. Speak your mind, people, don't know what to do. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. Hit the thumbs up when you not hit the video. It is so easy. And remember, continue to follow the backup channel. If you're not subscribed yet, go subscribe to Life is a Mission TV. And please remember, Life with Gabby and Chevy is in the comment section. Give her a subscription, please, and thanks. And the cash app down the $ Charms and Trends, temporarily using because of my cash app is down with a technical glitch. And go support Charms and Trends. Alright? That's Charmed and Trends. Charmed and Trends. That shop. That's the website. And Charm _and_ trends is the business page on Instagram. Anything you see over there, you can get it customized. Just drop in at the DM. Support. They are very supportive. Alright? So people, we are going to jump into the video. We don't have time for wasting. But before we jump into the video, we just go on to do and don't know. Commercial time.
Show someone just how much they mean to you. Our bracelet stacks add that perfect oomph to any outfit, and our custom tumblers are the perfect way to show love to the people you cherish. Choose your color, your style, add your personal touch, like the day you first met, or the first song you danced to together with your boo. Be as corny as you want, unapologetically. Every day is the perfect day to spread love. Order your personalized gift today by visiting www.charmedandtrends.com. patrons.shop. We promise you love your gift of a lifetime. Scouts Honor.
So that is it, people. Just go support. They are very supportive, alright? Just support. No care cheap. The thing is, when you see one you want, no worry. But you don't have to talk about no one buy the biggest or the dearest. So if I sit over there by the $20, $30, support. Every little me come up with. Make you get into the video, because I not a long time for waste yourself, no. No long time.
Now it's for real, for real.
Y'all are mad out. Dark the girl up and down and walk up and down.
Stay right out the street and take pictures of my car.
Alright, listen what she has to right here. So, and if you so paranoid of people, what you do out a road and in your house you they lock up in a dark and walk back and forth and depend life if you so paranoid. Eh? People are sending people fear to do this and do all kind of thing. Me a lock up in a one eggshell. What me say? Me a wait till one ants give birth and in sitting walking up, me try run up in it and go hide. Because me paranoid. But you out a door and walk up and down and depend life. Cause that look like I don't know yard there, you know. Because me actually see a car pass your close. So a car in the house or your yard that there. Unless you probably live the right on the sidewalk, street side without fencing.
You see me at Starbucks, you take picture of me at Starbucks.
You know, see the one that the girl take a Korean
store
store thing.
Page and I send my threats for see like you tried intimidate me. Intimidate who boy? Big loose batty boy. How will you intimidate me? You must have blood clot, man.
I know me people, I know me.
I'm America, right? Even when me the day of the BVI, or the American government come get me and bring me back and put me back in a Uncle Sam country.
Oh, you mean
that's
chartered flight? Big girl, chartered flight.
Come back here. And them come for me and pick me up and put me on
Air
a plane
Force One
and
come
send
for
me
you.
come back to the United States of America. Right? Imagine me living here comfortably, working, paying my taxes, doing my shit. All these years, I'm 48 years old now. I'm 48 now, just living comfortably with my family, just trying to figure out life like any hard work in America, right? Just here figuring out life, going through the ups and downs of life, only for one woman to be wreaking havoc and causing all of these bloggers right now, my country where me live.
Are you a country alone, bro? Because you alone then come for a BVI. In an Air Force One.
But now the one of them group up and want come. It's like them want take me out of my own.
People remember, you know, this is not nothing new, you know. It's just probably a new day, new time, new year, or and it's actually it's probably the same month. Because of fear time of the year this. When she try to start that little controversy there. Because the baking season has come up. So a fear time of the month this start the controversy with the woman when I look at her. I couldn't tell when I hear probably this woman even say nothing about this woman here, or nothing even close to her. Because me don't remember say she exists, because I'm sitting postpone, I don't remember hearing nothing about she. Because as people are questioning and ask me how she did work out the timing to have two events back to back, the 28th and the 29th. And me know the wedding wasn't a kaba wedding based on how she talk. I must something we have planned over a period of time. So the date must be set for the wedding. She must know the date for the wedding. So how you take on a date for the 29th and take on the date for the 28th. Yes, me not say it couldn't work. But with your work ethic, it couldn't work. You understand? And then what time you do them the cake they wouldn't fresh. You'd have to bake them the cake from about the 24th. If you know say you bake them for the 28th for the wedding and you bake them for the 29th and then the rush you gotta rush out for the 28th you gotta reach it a flight for the 29th. What gonna happen? Unless you gotta ship the cake them in the cupcake them in advance for the 29th event. So when you're done the 28th event you just catch a flight and move on. Me don't know how you plan to work it out. But the people them are questioning, how do you take 2 events like that back to back, night back a night? How you did that go work it out? So when me ask people from that event put off, me no hear nothing more about her. Because if the event never put off, if there was an event was supposed to keep, me no know. Because them dangerous, you know. Them not around for orchestrate things, you know. And if there was an event for keep, if the event did keep and they got the event, one amount of flossing and palaver would have sit on your page. You understand? But we hear nothing from you. So as I say, people, this is not nothing new. We're not used to this. It's just that different time, different year, but probably the same month, because it's always this time of the year she start this stupidness and blame the woman for things where the woman didn't even know about. This is not new what she say the woman a pay bloggers, you know. Even the same man where she talk about England, you know, the man in the dark, you know. I know the first she said the woman a pay him. Oh. So it's nothing new.
She's here. But I never see this yet in my life. The audacity. So I can't live. I'm not allowed to live, breathe, eat, run my business, run my cake business because of her and her dirty vloggers them. You ever seen what I Sonny?
What business? The business you say you're done with?
Look how much years me there. Like how them like cuss people and tell people how much people they are in America from donkey. Or people they are America
It's what you
from
achieve
years
from
and
how much years
okay?
you there. It's what you
people have been
achieve.
here for 40 years. So who the fuck do you think you are to come now just
Somebody will come surpass
you
you in less than a year or a year.
Years, if that's the case. Why you just come I want to start war with people where they are from Wapiti and Phillip? Why would you want to do that?
What kind of war?
Make it make sense. You just come in the country, or you were.
Me don't know people. Me don't know which one out here watch this video, yeah. I wish one on aware of fear live last night and already do no investigation. Already find out when me no know or when me no see or when pass me. What war she talking about? Eh? What war? 99 says something or do something new. Me no know. Just tell me no. Me ask you no, cause it can't pass me no. Because me tell you say sometime on everything me see. So me no know if 99 do something new. Because basically I know that 99 is not going to come out and call for her name just so. So if 99 even call her name recently, not even her name but refer to her in whatever way recently, almost something what she said. And 99 hear it and decide to come out and refer to her. Because we know 99 not call her name, but we know say certain utterance, we know who exactly it go for. So me don't know what she talk about here so anyway.
Coming into the country and you were getting all of these vloggers and bloggers to intimidate, harass, threaten, stalk because you were coming in the country. You think I saw America go? You think you're gonna come here and start war with people and it go like that? It don't go like that. So I'm telling you right now, all of these vloggers and bloggers that you got working for you and doing your little dirty work, I'm warning you right now. Tell them to stop.
Warning! Stop!
Tell them to stop.
Stop!
Tell them to stop. This is not the ghettos of Jamaica. This is not the ghettos of Jamaica, B. You understand? Tell them to stop.
It's not the ghetto of Jamaica, but it's worse
Because
than the
if you
ghetto
think
of
you're gonna
Jamaica.
be here and
You
because
are
you have
worse
this
than the
lawyer in
ghetto
your
of
pocket, this lawyer
Jamaica.
friend in your pocket,
Because
and you're good,
the great improvement of the ghettos in Jamaica. I know you're not improve after how much years you left out of the gutters in Jamaica. You come here one day and you see say the gutters, as what you say, of the ghettos is not the same. You might still have a few people out here who still, you know, no change of luck yet for them. But if you check the ghetto itself to where you left it and where you did live in, it's not longer the same. Even down a Barry Street where you did live in the big workman land with the abandoned building on the make-up house in, where all kind of feces water run through and pass all your doorway. How much of that you gonna sit down in? If you go down there now, it's not the same. Because it's either those building becomes commercial building again, or private people just buy them out and build house. Me don't know, but me pass down there and it's not like the same. But you in America for how much years? And there is no change to you. So you're still worse than the ghetto.
Have all of these idiot followers by your page. I go out there and I troll people. You think so them can't help you out in the blood clot real world?
Every day you come out, you feel like you have done a ticket. You know somebody that want you have done a book of
everybody thinks that you're superwoman. But
like
outside
you
of that,
have
they can't
a
help
ring.
you. Because I'm sure you know by now, this is
Cause you
America.
just yap on your
But
mouth. You
image
can't
don't
start
mean
up your
nothing.
mouth you have.
You see what's going on with P. Diddy?
You coward
You see what's
like
going on
that.
with Naomi Campbell? We don't frighten for image over here, son. We don't give a shit who you are over there.
You're gonna point out, boy, you see what happened to this girl with name Campbell. And you if you consider yourself that anytime probably you can get entangled in that, because the mindset you wanna have is to come out here, come take people money to finance phone lifestyle. Donna not take nobody money to finance our lifestyle. So you're supposed to refer that to yourself. You're supposed to make that girl named Campbell be a lesson to you. And back out, back down, and stop doing what you do. For search the Observer and the Star. Search social media for people who are in need of help. And take them up and try to reach them upon contact number that is out there for them. You understand? And tell them, boy, you want to help them and you want to start a GoFundMe and you want to reach out to them and you're going to use your platform. And the first thing you do when you do these things, because if I never for the school what you wouldn't know, is talk about you own a baking company. You understand? Tina Chin Cake Shop. You understand? That's the first thing you do so the people them think you are somebody reputable. So them in need, so what them do, if them in need, I'm quick forgive somebody who they don't consider as a reputable person. Just imagine you tell them, say, oh, I'm from the Tina Pop Cake Shop. And them say, what? No, not that. The Rum Cake Lab, right. Right. I'm from the Rum Cake Lab. That sound like one big, nice establishment. Because of that, they catch the principal at the school, you know. When she come out, you come collect the money, you know. The name, where she put on the weight name, the top, the letter head top. Rum Cake Lab. Then the principal come out, remember? The principal come out and say she did think of one big entity. She never knows it's a single person. Oh, no, remember? So that is what she used when she go out there and scout these recipients. And this is why them feel like 99 do the same thing. Because if you listen to them, you know, them come out here, come tell you how 99 scout recipient. You understand? And reverse with the recipient and tell them what to say. And if you listen, are the same thing them do. Look at Laurie and them. Larry the Lizard, it bust out how them sit down, cartoon bust everything, how them sit down and them reverse. Them call them 103 way, 4 way, 6 way, 10 way, conference room. You know, like when the world leaders them join, you know, and having them conference, I saw them upon conference call. You understand? I orchestrate what to do. Them reverse what to do. So them feel like the same thing. And it's just the same thing with she. So I don't feel like when you can't fool nobody out here. The same way on thinking, I just don't feel like, you know, are the same thing the woman I do because of that a phone mindset.
Yeah, over here, if you gotta get locked up, you're gonna get locked up. We could give who the we don't care who
Think
the hell
about
you
the
are
same
over
thing for
here.
yourself and all those wrongdoing that you are
If
doing.
we gotta throw the book of justice on your ass, we're gonna do it.
We
So
gonna
tell
do
all
it, so who is you?
dirty vloggers that you got working for you, that
You
you're
is going to
paying,
escape it if
like
somebody
what I wanted
case?
to admit today. That one admitted today that he trolled me and stalked me and my kids because he's
Man of
getting
England,
money out
man of
of
England,
it.
I don't mean man of England.
You understand me? Them ones who you pay in the UK. Them mad people in the UK where you pay for your little dirty work. tell them to ease up off of my back.
A 3 man in the UK, no, but a 1 shot.
Because there's no way in hell you're gonna come
If you
here
listen along the
and
line,
start
who don't
this
know,
shit with
who
me
know we know.
because of them, and think you're gonna get away with it because they're in the UK. I don't give a shit. Because y'all, the one where send police come on my yard, try and know your name with that too. Your name is with that complaint too. Okay? The same one that sent the cops to my house that day. Because you endorsed that one. You endorsed that one too. You feel you love war too much. That's what I realize with all I want to love war. When I think with the on some ghetto road, on some.
So, me I go ask again. She continues to say the people them love war. Who is warring with her now? Eh? She are involved such woman name. Is it such woman talking about her? Much as she a war with her? Such woman is so busy and book dealing with her own private and personal life and business. Have no time for waste matters. Such woman no own solid waste or whatever waste company in America. So why such woman would be paying you such mind or have so much time to pay you mind? You're not littering any surrounding for such woman. You're not causing any form of foul odor or stench in such woman surrounding. And as we say, if so be the case, that would have to leave to the council or the state to deal with that. Such woman not deal with them something there. Such woman not remove garbage. So such woman not have no time to pay a garbage mine when it's not in her way. You're not considered at no time for this woman to even think and call your name unless you come out here like how you don't know. You're not tired to do this. The world will watch this sitting here overwrite you so. They're used to you by now. Because you never change your style. You never wait till down in November or do it from last month in September. It's always this time of the month, the year. You do this. So you never think. Well, I tell you, you think yes, it's so rotten.
We don't do shit over here like that. We don't love too much war. Right? You come over here and wanna come on the app, wanna make a name for yourself any which way and not make a name and just keep it moving. Why y'all gotta be violent like that? Why y'all gotta be stalking people? Why you gotta be dragging people's kids? Why y'all gotta be threatening
Stalker
people
calling
in the most
somebody
violent
a
ways
stalker.
to get a name for yourself? Why?
One of the biggest
Because
stalker
you
calling somebody a
boundaries
stalker.
and love go overboard.
When you say you make so much page, that proves that you is a stalker. To have so many pages.
Jamaica this one can come over here and come on the internet and send people threat and then they think it's a free-for-all. It's not free-for-all here, baby. Ain't no free-for-all here. Stalking people's kids and shit. I call my kids Cruff. Why look a nasty fish one I come and call my kids Cruff? Can you imagine? Why look a nasty man where she a prune, where she a nurture. I come and call my kids Cruff. The audacity. And this like a dirty man. Don't even have any kids of his own because the whole of him sperm I go up in another man bottom. And you have the audacity for come call my kids them Cruff. You're bright. After them woman are Cruff. So all my kids them for turn Cruff. You're bright. And the power you should give the man them. And them power you the woman them give them the female followers give them man them. For disrespect people kids and drag people kids. And style people kids. Them man who for sperm I go up in another man body hole. Like them have power. And them power yeah them I give them. Cause them sperm now got to nothing good. More than people throat or in somebody body hole. But them want to come on the internet and use their mouth and style people pick me on a bright. And then now the woman them go out there and spread the word like say, I'm me, I get problem. I ain't giving no problem with nobody.
So Tina, on a serious note, so who trouble you? You talk about such woman. You talk about the woman of England, the man of England. You talk about supporters. Who really trouble you? Are you come out here cussing you? Because I don't remember hearing nobody come out here cuss you. If Queen was to come out here now, come and cuss and a go on and a rant, would have probably have to go search to say who rush her, as well as it would have evident to know say yes, somebody rush her, or you know, because we know say she in the trending position. If I did Curly, I could have say yes, Curly just get it out of the trending position, but a temporarily because she soon be back. But you come from nowhere. I mean, not hear nobody call your name. Me not hear nobody a cuss or a war with you. So me not know. I will happen out the people who tell me in the comment. If you tell me, you know, it is so easy for you to tell me. Not no ordinary night. So you tell me somebody trouble. I don't know. I don't know what I miss.
Me, hey, Lovely, I've been sharing my kids to the world because I ain't got nothing to hide. I like family. I'm from a very large family, Lovely, and I love family. That whole institution of family, I love it. I just love.
You love family. You know what? I don't even want to say it, you know. You love family and you don't show your belly pain no love with the condition of where she in her. Eh? The only time you end up show your belly pain little love, you know, is when she sign up, you know, with the government policy where them have some free policy. And if a master call you and tell you because she always research them free policy there. And you know say you are gonna need a caregiver. Somebody to look after her. You did want to take that job. And that's the only time when you realize say yes, money can make. You see you start jumping around and you go look for you and you post and you this and you that and you take the kids them and you turn and you worry. I don't know what happened to it if it fall through the window. Because I don't see the same effort there. You understand? Why do you take up your father and you say, oh, I started to care for my father, now we started to do this like it. I say, okay, every other weekend I will keep him once I have the time, and we have time every day, every week. But at the same time, you know how long we don't see with your father. Is it that your father, if you get some compensation, if a tax return or what, and you just cling on to him to take the money? Because that's the only way you really look like you into like family, you know, when there is something out there for you to get. Serious. So now come out and come going like you're this real family person. You're not.
Right?
Only when something is in it for you.
She not show fear one because she know. She know what she doing. Lovely, she know what she doing.
Talk
She
what
knows
she
that
do.
she weaponize these gay men to tear down people, kids. She knows what she did. That's why she ain't showing her kids. Because she knows what she did. Now, if she shows her kids, right, and I come out after her kids.
She not run a family platform. If you want to see one family platform, as me telling you what, you go check the Carters. Yes, man. I go check Tommy Chin and her husband and the family. If you want to see a platform where have family. It's not a family platform she run. You might need to try run a family platform when you bring your grandkids them out here and knowing the type of person you is. You never expect that people are going to give a backlash and talk about your kids when you carry them out. You feel like you're going to take a nail to poke somebody and expect that the person is going to take a stick of butter and poke you? No. Once you try to damage something for somebody, them are going to try to damage back something for you. And if you pop off one of my little tie chuck wheel, me want to pop off 4 of your tie chuck wheel. That's how it goes. You can't come tell me to pop off back 1 of your one. Why did you pop off my one in the first place? Why you pop off my one in the first place? But now me a pop off back the whole of your one, them you gonna tell me, no, just pop off back one cause one me. No, you shouldn't pop off my one from first. You have your truck, me have my box truck, you have your one. You want to come tell me what to do? Move your man.
And start to style up our kids then. Wouldn't I be wrong? Wouldn't you people look at me funny if I did something like that?
You know this part of social media is not a family channel thing. Keep your picking them and your grandpicking them out of social media.
I would never do something like that. Because I'm a mother myself. And I know what that feels like. For people to drag your kids.
He's a carrier, you're not a mother man. He's a carrier. Just like how you have the man that sperms donor. He's a carrier.
Never.
What kind of mother role you play?
Never drag somebody else's
You
child.
leave your kids them at a tender age and go do what you do at BVI. And you come back and you still not spend no time with them. And you talk about your mother. Where?
I've sat down and heard they have dragged my daughter who has the tumor.
How do you play a mother role in them life?
They
Where?
celebrated and they celebrated over my daughter's cancer tumor thing that she's getting chemo for. It was a big joke. And you know what she said on her platform and said? She ain't telling nobody to stop nothing. They should come out of her phone and she ain't telling nobody to stop messing with nobody's kids.
Talk about the things that you write about you too.
That swine said.
Talk about the things then what you also write about you during that period of time.
Say, you know what, guys? Listen, don't drag people kids. She don't even have that about her to come out, the decency to come out of her face and say not to drag people's kids. She said she ain't
social media mama.
Not do nothing.
She can't come out and tell people what to say.
You know, so the people that will follow you slow. You know, so them lackadaisic. You know, so them brain are up all there. But come on, man. You claim you're a humanitarian. Something has to be you. You see what I'm saying? It's all a farce. It's not real. It's not real. All of that you're looking at with her and them, it's not real. It's just to trick people. Because if she was anything like that, she would have been come out and said the right thing and done the right thing. But she's not about that life. It's just all about, make people think so he's like that. She's not about none of that. Look at the people that she used for work with her. Look at this.
Continue to cry.
He make money off of me and my kids then.
Cry, cry, baby. Moonshine, darling. Take off your dirty wig and go to your bed. Wake up in the morning and go wash your dirty Cry, cry, baby, moonshine, darling. Take off your dirty wig and go to your bed. And wake up in the morning and wash your dirty
This is why I take for myself. I take for myself from the whole of them. I come and realize that them people are some real low-class, demonic set of Jamaicans. Right? Those types of people, these types of people you see on the internet causing all the ruckus, and them contribute to crime in Jamaica.
Wow.
Yeah, them same one contribute to the criminal behavior in Jamaica. The same one them where go on like lagger, but them look
in this same video, you know, you say when time the man them come out against you, you don't have no time for them, you don't talk to them, you don't toe-to-toe with them. You remember what you said? You get man to deal with them. What kind of deal with? Since you have touched the topic of crime in Jamaica and way. You say no. When them blagger you come out against you and way, you don't have time for them. You don't have toe-to-toe with them, you just get a man to deal with them. So what are you saying? A violence that you are preaching of? But we just know say a bad mind. I soon tell you something.
small eye them in them big head, them big empty brain and dancing in them brain, and them contribute to the crime of Jamaica.
Oh no!
Yeah.
They call us to and send a little
It's not the
50
country
US
that's bad, it's the people.
or 100 US, and because the
people
color,
that
the
follow
money,
her, the bloggers that follow her
man
and
fall
support her
phone
and
or a little
them,
one crep.
they're the ones who contribute to the criminal behavior in Jamaica.
Only way they are foreign, how much years do it?
They're the ones that do that. Because you can't tell me, no matter how me and somebody are close,
Ding dong, where the man?
when it comes
Sure.
down to certain
The
sensitive
send and
things,
call
I
ding
am
dong
not going to be a
people.
part of it. Right? Me cuss the person, but if them go some other direction, me stop. Me stop. Because I'm not going to entertain that part of the conversation, if you get what I'm trying to say.
Ding dong, oh
You
right,
know,
ding
I'm
dong
not going to
call
entertain
me.
that part. Me cuss to somebody, but if them talk about
Yeah,
the
ding
kids,
dong,
then
where
I'm
sir?
not going to entertain that part of it. You understand
You're
what I'm
1
saying?
minute away?
Because
Alright, that means you're the right answer
nature
then.
won't
Alright.
allow me
Me I
to
tell
do
them
that.
say you come. Alright.
You understand?
Ding dong a come people, let's not hear him.
She
You tell
can't
me right
control me. No, she can't control me, lovely. Control who? Control who? Control who? Me, I'm not one big man. Control who? After she can't get to the man and manipulate me. How me for make somebody like that control me?
See, me tell you, say ding dong soon come. Me tell you, man, I be a bad mind, things are going lately. Donna by the beam of them start like shaky. I be a bad mind, things are going lately. Donna be the woman, and them get shaky. And when they touch cake time, them get even more shaky. I be a bad mind, things are going lately. Move, T girl.
Nope. I don't care how much money you think I nope. If that was the case, we would have done with enough money, man, already. Yeah? But something about control, it's not gonna work because enough money, man, them love control.
If I'm money, you are there enough money, man, already. You know, money, man, you want me your food for free.
So means hey, you can't
Eh?
go down the road,
And that every talk about the amount where you for free. All bout in the dance hall because you want hype and fame. You want against celebrity. You want mix and knock heads with celebrity.
No girl can't send me out, lovely. No girl can't send me out for go sell nothing for them. Get the frig out of here. No girl can't send me out for go sell nothing for them. No girl. I'm a female with a male mind. No girl can send me out. Us single parents, we have no choice but to be the way we are now. Yeah? Because life not cut out easy for we. You get me? And which is why I'm talk like that and I'm like this. Yeah? Life not easy. Life never easy for me. But I wasn't the worst. You get me? I'm gonna respect who respect me. But I go on and disrespect nobody. It's not my thing. You understand? I want somebody come to me and talk about
you're not disrespect nobody, but you life on people and I bring down people.
Somebody tell them, say she tell the person say she gonna buy a cake
Disrespect.
from me, a birthday cake from me.
Disrespect, lie, and bring down is two different things. Cause you can't just get up today and see a man and tell him to clot or tell him about his mother or tell him to come suck and kiss you. You understand? That is disrespect. But carrying down a person and them business is two different things. So we are talking about. You're not going to see nobody and disrespect them, as you say. But you see people and try to carry them down for no reason at all. All because, you're not no self-confident in yourself, And that you lack kind of girl, self-confident. You come like some man, them see some woman out there and to them know say them in a certain position, them feel like say boy, well, alright. No sir, she not look for me. Him not confident in himself. It's a different thing if you know definitely say this person are the type of caliber people that she look upon, she not look upon you because you grow and live in and around her is a different thing. But if you go out in the street and see a nice woman in a car drive, but you see her in a nice car drive, you're not confident in yourself. Try to get yourself acquainted by saying hi, hello, what's up, Because she in a nice car, so your confidence level is not there. Because you feel like you can't get her. Me don't know you, me put it to you if me see her like you. See that you don't look for me and not answer me. But if me there in my community and me know a girl where Ayaso she'll look. She not look over Ayaso. It's a different thing. So you don't have no confidence level in yourself. No confident level. That's why everything what people do, it trouble you. Before you just do you and do what you fit do. And know say whatever you do, nobody can stop what you do. Where you for earn, nobody can stop what you for earn. And if you feel like it's a competition tight, all you have to do what you have to do to get yourself. You understand? Pan TikTok, see. Them have a thing they call we are ranked number one ranking. Another one person rank number one all the time. And when me I rank number one or him I rank number one, the person behind one rank number one to cause them know what it bring. So them work towards ranking number one. And at times them find themselves there. You understand? So that's all you have to do, But instead, you come out here and you beat down the people and the persons that having their success in putting in their work to reach where them is. And all now you back of your mind, you are the best, you are the greatest. You know it all. You can do it better than everybody else. Just like how you criticize and talk about the woman cake in this.
Person that tell her, You gotta buy something from Tina China and she mix up under your mama. Mix up where? Mix up where? Which part of me mix up? If that little fish boy that over there so never start me picking them and call them picking them name for money, them wouldn't hear my mouth. Any mother would be hurt over somebody dragging and stalking their kids. Any mother would be hurt. Right? You can't tell a mother or a person how to react when people drag their kids.
Oh, but you want to tell Donna how to react when you try to bring down her business when she don't look for you and trouble you.
One look at dirty man when feeling sperm are going out in a man body wall, can't come and talk about my kids them across. How should I react after something like that? I should smile and keep it moving? No, I had a choice. I could either ignore or I could cuss out them blood cleat. I chose the latter. I chose the second one. But done them, I'ma feel good. But done them one by one, I'ma feel good. Them too out of order, them for know them place, them name man. As much as them walk and wind up themselves and go on with themselves, a man, them name the gender man. Not the social construct, the gender man. With them sissy self. Go hold your corner, a man your name. You're born with a long seed. Now come in a woman business and try buy out woman argument with a long seed self. Now come like a waste of sperm, and a waste of sperm. None of the way I style my pitney have pitney. None of them not have pitney. None of
No, me and look people, sorry, me and look. Me look to the left and me and look to the right and me look direct. If there's a sign, you know, like when you go to a certain business place, you see female restroom and you see male restroom. So me and look if me see a sign mark. Over here saw for female gender social media. And over here saw for male gender social media. I got me I look for people. I no mad me mad out. I then mad out. Me no mad out. Me just look for if any sign there, you know, to stipulate where you must go as a male person in a social media and a female. Me just did a look. But me not see none.
I have no kids. But them I come a style my pick them. When me push out one by one. When me carry when me bear pain and carry them for 9 months. I make me shape like a big pig. Fuck. They want to come by and come style my pick them. I me sit down quiet.
They shape like a what?
Mad. Me I cuss out every one of them
Are
around.
you Satan or me?
Who don't like me after that too bad? I'm a Jamaican. I am a
No,
Jamaican.
you're an American.
Nanina me. And
You're
no
an American. Don't tell nobody about you're not Jamaican. You're an American. Don't make you look bad. What you want to hide behind Jamaican name?
So don't judge me.
For your dirty, filthy
Don't judge me
behavior?
one bit.
No, man.
Don't judge me
Over
one
here,
bit. Please
sidewalk
don't
to
judge
the
me.
pan. And she
Right?
paranoid. You hear the bike
Please
with just
don't judge
pass?
me and talk about
Post a
all
bike,
this
they never
and
kill you
that
and pull up.
touching this and don't
Should
judge
I
me.
run and drop the
Because it's
phone?
not a good feeling to see one look a sissy ass man and drag your kids.
You're not
them and
paranoid, man. You just
can't
come out
hold
here
you
and try to
bite
create
out your
content.
face. God forgive
And
me.
use the woman name as you normally do. Like the woman Amelia. The woman didn't even see you. Not even see. When the woman hear about you, she lock her eye, she lock her nose and she lock her ears.
Leave woman business alone and leave woman pitney alone. And go sword fight with one another. I got knot tie on the balls together.
Like how you did a
I want
tongue
to
fight with
love
your
people
friend
pick
them.
me alone and quit.
You know a tongue fight,
Sexuality. Stop lying. It's not because of your sexuality. It's because of your nasty ass attitude. Yeah, your nasty ass attitude, some of you. And you want to come size up with people and disrespect people's children. That's why. That's why people don't like some of you. It's not because of your sexuality, your choice. No, stop blaming it on that. The curse another gay man. Females them feel like that we're weak, and that's why I tell you all this, right? I don't argue with men. None of these Jamaican men on here who
Wanna listen now, you know? And she just a talk about crime.
I don't argue with them.
Wanna listen? What them a promote?
I tell you what I do with them already. I don't
Bird of
argue
a
with
feather
them.
flock
When I
together,
hear them
master, and
argue
are the
with
same
me,
thing.
if I feel like I want to drop two words and I'm not gonna go back and forth with them.
Listen, you know.
Me will get man to deal with them. I saw it go. You don't argue with them. You don't argue with them sissy boy up on the internet. You get man to deal with them. Straight up. That's what I'm talking about.
So that sound like a threat or is a threat? Me not understand. Me don't know if it's it sound like, because she says she know how to deal with them, get man. So basically, you know, Anyone on you, especially your man over England there, you know. All this, you know. Come here, she said you forgot report, the report. Me I make note of it. Well, me know he's an archive man still. But me I make note of it because me I take it as a threat, so anything to me. I fear name the arrow a pine pan. Alright? Because this is how you decide to deal with social media. And then you don't want to tell people how to deal with it. You have your way of dealing with it. People have for them way of dealing with it. So why you have a problem? Why you have a problem? Man, you get to deal with it. No man, you fool again anyway. And you don't have money to pay.
You know what Cuff is? Cuff is when you're up on the internet and cuss people and don't have no documents. That's being a Cuff. Can you imagine being on the internet and cuss people and stalk people, kids, and don't have no damn documents? You
But
can't
Cuff,
even leave, you can't even move around. Can't even...
I consider say he's a Cuff too. You know why I consider say he's a Cuff? Because you come out here with bare false and fake news, false allegation. You just say the man not have no documents. Not just what the other man at Jamaica. No couple weeks or months ago the man at Jamaica and I think him back at England now. So make that make sense. What you mean not have no documents? Him can't travel.
Move around. Because you don't have no damn documents. Big, grown, hard
Who don't know
man.
people business
Don't
more
have
than
no damn
no
documents
phone.
but on the internet trolling people's kids. Huh? And stalking me. But you ain't got no damn documents to fly to anywhere. That's a Cuff.
You are a Cuff also. And you're one of the crusty Cuff.
I send barrel go to Jamaica go give my mother. And when we reach one, I'm a meet long time. I'm a 40 years now. I take road from a long time. I know the system from a long time. So now look at idiot dirty boy when all the documents can chat to me. And my mother can go and come anytime she want to the next sissy. Where we love call me name and call and talk about my past. My mother can go and come anytime because me file for my mom.
This is how the ground and spread propaganda and tell lie. Because tomorrow now, probably the man could have posted it already. Probably the man could have posted him documents already. I think if you not lie, the panel live one day where the man goes to boom and flick out him passport. The man show you like one old passport and him show you him British passport. So oh you see the man on the documents. These are the blatant lies when you come out here come tell man. When you can't come out here come tell them blatant liar man when people are see otherwise. And then want people to believe in you. Because I could have swear what day the man there Jamaica. Plus before that the man show you one British book and him rare show you all like when the paper them come like something or whatsoever and him show you one whole book. And you all come publicly now. You come tell people say the man not no documents where you go say no him here talk because you never call no name. Remember now we don't have to call name out here. Once you come out here we utter and we say go roach in your house, we know who that. You understand? Simple as that. You don't have to call no name. Pay false news and carry out.
I'm big file for my mama in my 20s.
And your mama come and find come do better than you as well you said. Your mama come and find come do far better than you because your mama buy a house where you have. You say your mother have big old mansion and property. And now you send fear. And when you send fear, she never have that. But what you have. All your mother where you send for do better than you in America. You don't say you curse. All your mother where you file for come America come do better than you. Go back to school, earn her money, and make mansion as well you say because I don't know. I wonder if Pastor money about you too. Sound like Pastor money about you too. I wonder if a Pastor money make you come out. I wonder if a Pastor money make you come out people. Me never get this up on the live, you know. Me never get this up on the live. Me don't know how it really start. But I wonder if a Pastor money.
For fun or lifestyle.
Yeah, it's the same thing you do.
Fun or lifestyle. And looking at her, you can't tell. And the hard-working people that want to come insult. People we have to send them square to get up and
You
send them
continue to point out Campbell. Me say, man, you are the next Campbell. Because it's the same thing you do. You might not do it so lucrative, but it's the same thing you do. Take the people their money to fund your lifestyle.
But you don't want people for support. You know, to move up, man. Can't stand it up. And I come and show off on people like when I'm somebody. Move!
You hurt bad. I second some of this within 3 days. Me say, you can't hear them voice or them hurt. Them hurt bad.
You ought to notice my mix, my cake them taste nice. But I scam me when my cake them taste good.
Alright,
and
listen
soft
now.
and nice. When I get my cake, it
Listen
look
now.
like putty and rockstone. It look like mud and water. But I
Listen
scam me
now.
when my cake them when I get real cake, what I can eat. For sure, so I'm putting the work on my cake them. And I just take one good picture and put it up on the internet. And then the rest of the cake them, I'm sending no shit, this shitty. I don't do that. It's a real business me I run. I don't just
Without
make
profit.
one cake and put the picture up.
Real business without sales and profit.
All of my cake them are going to taste the same way. Yeah. Because it's a real business me I run.
Without
And I try them
profit.
see that now, them get them bloggers them for come and try tear down my business.
And that's why you come on your own to try to tear down our business. You can't touch that again, man. That's gone.
Yeah, anything that's too legit, it challenges their scammer life. It show them up. You understand?
Delusional.
The cakes them too legit and taste too good. It show up for them scam. It show up for them nasty cake. And them not like that.
Delusional.
Anything will show them up, them not like that. So them have to recruit all of them little dirty bloggers here about the place. We do them little dirty work. And try and weak me.
You weaken your own self, man.
Because my cake can show them up. My cake can challenge them.
You're
So them
delusional
can't
bad
help
boy.
but recruit these little dirty bloggers for do them little dirty work for them.
You're delusional
I
bad.
don't want people believe. But thanks for telling me. Thanks for telling me that you used me and you told lies and you did all of these other stuff so that you could get money from social media. Thanks for telling me. Because you and I did wrap up in a bed together. So thanks for telling me. Big up and talked upon our platform. They're working for her. Anybody should big up on our platform. Them a work on her work for her in some.
The man say him use her. That are you know. To make money. On social media. Everybody see we making money. You know, see the man I show you since night. How much he makes since you come out on him name. Eh? You know, see the man I show you. So how such woman appear him and how such woman him make the money offer.
Capacity. In some capacity they're working for her. One should big them up on our page. Vlogger, blogger,
What?
vlogger.
99 me want my money, me I come to my check.
They're working for her.
A 2 year now me I work and me not get no pay.
And trust me, they're not good
Cause them
people.
say me I work for you, we I work for you. And me fall in the category cause up to last week you big me up.
But me there for everyone out here, yeah?
So me fall in the category to get paid cause you big me up last week, you know? Yeah. Remember you big me up last week and she said anybody you big up on your platform I work for you, you pay them. So how me not get no pay for 2 years now?
Low life, low class Jamaicans, you. Some of you don't even have documents, but you now call immigration and people.
Me know before
How
they
you
like
find
the man
a
you
number
show
to
him
call
documents
immigration
and you
and
gonna look
people,
like
but
a
can't
before
find
they like
number
the
to
man
get
I show
your
him
papers.
documents and you gonna look like a shh. Because that's all no come talk people business only don't know about. Sometimes we don't all know enough and still have the whole heart to come out come chat negative and next.
Oh, you can't find number for call and send police come on me yard and send police and call immigration for stop me and send FBI for me. But y'all can never find the right number to file your own documents so you can travel and take vacations like everybody else. Answer me that question.
You only take vacation on your own charity.
So you killed your dreams just to come after somebody else's dreams? Is that what it is?
Nightmare you have, man. You're not a dream. Your dream can't be no reality. A nightmare you
So
have.
that one can't just fuck up somebody else's life. Now for sure, so you're not even valuing your own self.
Just like
Not even
you.
your own self on the value. That's why you're stagnant. stagnant. Every time I learn a new word, you overuse it. Stagnant.
Don't say that,
Still
Tina.
overuse it. Stagnant.
Don't say that, Tina. Stagnant is your potion, Tina, and it will always be your potion. You will never move from where you is. Right now, if you're there in Florida where the earth or the hurricane come one day, the amount of water that pass over here, all know you not move the way you're stagnant. Don't say that, Tina. Don't say that you're stagnant. Speak with mind, people. Bless up on yourself. Thanks for watching. We come to the end of the video. Want to know what to do? Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, and hit the thumbs up and like the video. Please to watch the ads, continue to support the backup channel Life is a Mission TV. And remember, Life with Gabby and Chevy is in the comment section. Go ahead and give her a subscription. And remember the cash app down there. When you give me, I take the gift and give to the needy and not the greedy. $, Charms and Trends. And please remember to support Charms and Trends. Go on Instagram. Look on the website. Go look on the page and go on the website and order something that you're cheap with this. Charmed _and_ trends. And the website is charmed and trends.shop. Bless upon yourself.